Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, Jacuzzi Hot Tubs of Portland, serving Beaverton and Portland, Oregon, publishes 3 ways to live healthier with diabetes. Sue Rogers, the company's president, said November has been proclaimed National Diabetes Month. The first step to living healthier with diabetes is to know the symptoms. Keep up with eye health. The first thing that comes to mind when a person learns they have diabetes is not usually their eyes. However, the eyes are one of the first things diabetes tends to harm. Get regular eye checkups to keep up with the changes and discuss ways to help prevent future damage to the eye with a good ophthalmologist. Have fun with exercise. Exercise is a big part of controlling diabetes and preventing it from starting. The best way to make exercise a part of daily life is to not think of it as a chore. Instead, avoid daily regimens. Find ways to make exercise fun. There are plenty of things that can be enjoyable and actually provide a lot of exercise. Get a Portland hot tub. Talk about mixing pleasure with improved health. Hot tubs are great additions to a home and make a perfect place for family and friends to gather. On top of the social benefits of a hot tub, a study by Dr. Philip L. Hooper of the McKee Medical Center showed that soaking in a hot tub helped patients with type 2 diabetes lower blood sugar just by soaking for 30 minutes a day every day. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a jacuzzi hot tub to help improve their overall health and well-being, Jacuzzi Hot Tub Portland is providing free test soaks at their outlet store and Beaverton showrooms. They do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call them ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more, pick up a copy of their free hot tub buyer's guide. It provides useful information that will help consumers make an informed buying decision. Just go to the company website. For more information, visit the link below. And to learn more about this video news release, visit prreach.com.